abasupport amaphupho ethu and so ingqondo yami isheshe yayifunda ama problem solving skills yabona so mina nje ayikho problem that engayibona inkulu kumina don't think ukuthi into embi is on destroy.
That's powerful. Yeah. Sisikhanya mfethu, this is amazing. I'm loving it because I think while ukhuphuka kukhona nokuyikhohlwa ukuthi you know. And I clap for you. Not at the expense of your dignity yami mhlambe. I want to cheer you on but not at the expense. You know. Because there are opportunities that azofika with family but will have to come through the wife.
One thing about men is that they have a bird's eye view of the everything. And the one remember
Wow.
So you have to make sure you come to the one who, you know, when I always
I'm containing myself, but it's fine.
I always say.
Sis, thank you so much. It's Business Slang and the Wingy segment.
Yes, now I'm very excited.
The other segment was quite loaded. Nalena ngiyazi isazoba nezinto ezinkulu kakhulu. Kwabayibuka kokuqala lena usisi ukhanya Buthelezi usisi wenza izinto ezinkulu kwezamabhizinisi. Ziningi izinto asifundise zona kule segment esiphuma kuyo. So kule segment sikwamukele futhi ke.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Ngicela sithi uqala kule part yase
group.
But siqale sibuke impilo yakho futhi sikhavile kancane use UK, you know. Yeah, there's quite a lot that happened in the UK, you know. Kule episode ebesibuka sibuke early uyofunde ekoleni zabelungu, you know, just culture nokushintsha kwezinto. But masikubuka sibuka indlela oyiphatha ngayo nokuba nesibindi ukuthi ama challenges. We even made ama examples about crossing the river ukuthi ubunayo lonto ukuthi you know you just even danger ikhona kunzima you just go out there and do it. And kwahamba kwaze kwaholela ukuthi ube se UK, you know. And nase UK uyafika lapho uthola ama opportunities. Awunayo lento ukuthi ngiphume South Africa sithatheleke phansi ufika lapha uphakamisa isandla makuvela ama opportunities you are there. Lento yokuzenyeza mhlawumbe sihlale lapho nje for isikhashana. Again I think it links up with lento esikhulume ngayiqaleni ukuthi you seem to cross these rivers ezibukazi kwelizisa abanye abantu but wena somehow you know lento ukuthi ufika kwelinye izwe eliphezulu kanjena njenge UK ungathi umfika lapha uthi bandla ngizothatha noma yini abanginikeza yona you know but ube nalonto ukuthi yes ngizothatha noma yini abanginikeza yona but I'm gonna make sure ukuthi I make something out of it kungabe ukuthi nje ngigcina ngihleli kule position kubo ngathi ngine humility ukuthi ngizoseva la zibe zikhona ezinye izinto engazenza mhlawumbe nje if you can say something around that because I think it's quite unique, you know.
So njengoba ngishilo earlier ngikhuluma ngokuthi I've received a lot of confidence from my upbringing. Nekhaya I don't think we're not that family that gets praised. You know what I mean? We don't get praised like besinga praise ngokuthi inkosazane yangena no it wasn't that kind. But it was being equipped. You know ekhaya bekunalento ukuthi nje we just get equipped. You know boka especially my grandparents bebe lento ukuthi nje you get equipped and the minute that you know how to do something and to stand on your own 2 feet then you gain that confidence. Yayibona leyo and I think ukuthi it goes back to my grandmother. Uma uzala ugogo my grandmother uzala uma. She was a force. Yayibona leyo nto.
Lo bengitotosa esikoleni.
Lo bengangitotosa umemdladla bengatotosa umuntu ngishilo ngathi ngabozana nombani owakamgwakho ukuthi ubengatotosa umuntu. But she was ubeyithanda ugogo futhi ubeyithanda izinto ezinhle ubeyithanda iprogress ebe wasemakhaya. You know what I mean? And because ubefundile ugogo ubesifisela ukuthi nje nathi sibe nezinto ezinhle. So I think ukuthi that translated to her children. But owakubamba kakhulu einganeni zagogo uma ube umuntu oyithanda iprogress oyithanda izinto ezinhle. So I think that translated to me. You know what I mean? And I mean it was different because njoba dengisho ukuthi ekhaya sasigijima kwakugijinwa kahlahla. Even ubayanda wasekhaya besihlangane naye lapha yana la gijinywa khona at the Athletic Stadium ngase what's that stadium that's there in Durban where the Sharks at Kings Park.
Kings Park,
besihlangane naye mina mengiqhamuka ne-team yakulezi zabelungu yena eqhamuka ngaselokishini ngoba befunda eqhilika. So besihlangana kanjani begijinwa ekhaya. We were a running sporty family nje begijin. So I think ukuthi the thing that has taught us to be resilient and to be a force is just sports.
Wow.
I'm not going to lie, you know, that's where it started. And then you get kusukeni kuma sports kwaskwabukhola. Our foundation for our confidence
That's
lies
powerful.
in God.
Yeah.
Yabona nje ugogo ubengeve umuntu okholwayo. And she instilled and she put that in us. Uma uyakholwa uma. And uma uyangitshela nje athi ayikho into ozoyenza outside of God. There's nothing of yours outside of God. So when I was in the UK, I found God. Ivangeli lasekhaya langivukele UK.
Yo, ekhambeni.
Uyacabanga? Because when I was running, mina nje besports uthi esontweni bese siya esontweni singagezile ngenxa yokuthi we were just like, oh, not again, we have to go to church again. Yabona? Kanti lento ifake depositiwe iyakhula that seed.
That's correct.
You know, is growing. And when I was in the UK, you know, ngasindiswa kanjalo, I found the Lord and I gave my life to the Lord in the UK. Ngase ngabuya nje sengisindisiwe. Yeah.
Wow.
So I think that's where my confidence. I've got two-prong. It's just having a structured family. It's just having a supportive family. You know, nginokhuluma with youngsters here and there. And I remember we were doing ama youngsters asemngeni municipality, and I remember one of them saying, "I'm a matrix," and one of them saying, "We feel like our families because we were just teaching them how to be resilient despite your background." And she was saying the one thing engingayisho mina ngoba bebesho izinto ezihlukahlukene that they pick up from their families wathi abasupport.
Wow.
You know,
that's it.
Abasupport amaphupho ethu. And not because nabo they don't want to support their kids. I think they just don't have the capacity because nabo mhlawumbe abasupportwanga. So I think that family support that just claps hands for you ukuthi hayibo Nkosi yami usenze ukuthi njengoba ngisho ukuthi ekhaya siwona lo mndeni uthi sizogqanyiswa lapha yani we're not that family. Ekhaya siwona ikhona le mndeni enjalo. Thina we're not that family at home. Noma ungaqhamuka usunejazi lakhe elikhulu ugogo ngathi khomula ijazi ke ntombi yogeza izitsha or whatever, you know what I mean, but we're not that family. But I think just that silent support.
Beautiful. Usalapho sesizogoqa kule part. I just want to now hear your thoughts because I think one of the biggest challenges that we have ukuthi, and I think uyichaza kahle, but ngifisa nje ukuthi ngiyibeke back kuwena. Lento yokwenza sure ukuthi ingane zethu as we raise our children in our families, we don't give them plastic swords, you know? Because I think at times we can easily fall into a trap. In fact, among our institutions, alumni, you know, that's where you get to see ukuthi we might have produced a certificate and I remember this thing we have a challenge encane ngibizwe kwesinye isikole ngiyokhuluma kusona engifika lapha ngiyabona ukuthi isikole nje singala angeke ngimention kakhulu. But that's some of the challenges that I face as a guy who gets called as a motivational speaker, because at times people can call you to hype ingane. And when you want to give them swords, as in Simbi, so that when you get into the workplace, to the real world, you are able to fight, you know. So at times it can be corrupt ukuthi zifune ukuproduce ama results amahle for grade 12, but uthola ukuthi ingane abayiproducer, they haven't produced ingane that can really get into the real world.
The real world.
Yeah, because the real world is there. Ungaba nama certificate, you know, the real world in fact, ungaba nama certificate odongeni ube namajazi amaningi. But the question is, ngabe whatever institutions you were part of, did they give you a plastic sword, noma bakunike the real sword? Because when the fight is happening, kuzovela ukuthi khona ophethe uplastic ekhona ophethe area. So ngibuka ifamily yakho ngazuthi bebengenayo lento ukuthi ban hype up. They were more focused on handing you guys ama swords angempela. It might have been that at times you felt like I wish they were, you know, tickling me this way. Godwa no, you know.
No.
So what is it that we can do maybe to ensure ukuthi even as we raise our children, we hand them ama sword angempela?
Yeah, it is important to understand ukuthi wakho umuntu ongaphakathi unokwakho umuntu wangaphandle.
Yeah.
So umuntu wangaphandle ngithi uyena lo kumele athole material things. Umuntu wangaphakathi lo kumele survive ama challenges.
Sure, that's powerful. That's powerful.
Yeah. And if wakha ongaphandle lokwazi ukuthatha izinto ukuthi ngakha lokhu ngithenga imoto ngithenga imizi ngithenga yabona you're so focused on the material wealth that you forget that should all of this perish phambi kwamehlo akho lo ngaphakathi kuzokwazi yini ukusurvive ingakho abantu bathole sebe down and out ngenxa yokuthi ingaphakathi alikwazanga ukumelana you base so much on the fact that izinto zami igolide ubukhazikhazi lobe nginabo ubona okungenza ngibe umuntu no ukubalekile ingaphakathi that what makes you a person yayibona leyo nto so I think ukuthi ekhaya ingakho besingashayelwa izandla kwenziwe lezi zinto lezi ezenziwayo ngenxa yokuthi I think they understood the fact that it's important ukuthi umuntu ongaphakathi kumele survive ama challenges ngoba phela baningi abantu who get lost to alcoholism to drugs get lost to izinto zesikhathi you can't like what you have to read the room. It's those soft skills that we don't think will help you in life. The minute that you are too praised about your achievements, then you become umuntu ongakwazi ukuread the room. Ngoba wena nje uyiprincess angithiwa uqhamuka nje ushayela izandla. Kanti the real world doesn't do that. So gogo nje besihlisa sibuyisele phansi khona sokwazi ukuthi that and then when you get to other countries when you get to live in countries that have set structures and that are giants you get to understand what ama swords angempela wathola lapho mina nje ingqondo yami has always been on structure yayibona leyo nto I'm not perfect but ngiya understand ukuthi you have to have a structure in order for something to survive and you have to have systems in order for that thing to survive and that would supersede talent yayibona structure and systems will supersede talent so mawukuthi umuntu ongenaso structure ungahlakanipha noma ungahlakanipha kanjani uthole wonke ama degree uthole wonke ama accolades that are there yonke amaphepha wonke lapha kodwa the question is implementation implementation hamba ngestrategy hamba ngesystem you know what I mean so that's where you learn when you work outside of South Africa ingakho nje international exposure it really broadens the mind it really helps you ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi uyibone izinto uyabona to see izinto eSouth Africa ezingasebenzi kahle masusuzibona seyisebenza kahle uyabona ukuthi there is an opportunity for them ukuthi isebenze kahle therefore it alters your mind somehow
yo that's beautiful
you know what I mean
that's beautiful
yeah so I think ukuthi that ukubona ukwazi to see something is to know something and to experience something is then leyo sort uyithola kanjalo ngokuthi for you to experience something and I think ukuthi that's the reason why I like ukuthi bayanbiza ukuthi nize ekoleni and I hope menifika lapha yana nifike ngibatshela ukuthi abantu abafani ingakho sithola ama results angafani
very true
ingakho noma umunye angasebenza kangakanani uthola ukuthi uya cross night kodwa ama results akhe ngeke afane nawo omunye ongasebenzi yena as much you know what I mean but it just means ukuthi your talents and your gifts are made for enye into ehlukile you have to know yourself ungaloko ubuka osibani ngoba bona bephethe beyama darks bekuthiwa sebezohamba bayoba odokotela eCuba nawe usuthi nje ngeke ngilale ngimele ngiyoba udokotela eCuba
yona nkinga not pinpointing any schools but ngiyangibona lo nto ukuthi kuya kube khona le challenge ukuthi again angiba blame othisha because i measuring unit noma standard sithi producer A abaningi make sure ukuthi lezi ngane ziphasa ngalendlela le kungabe kusagrunywa the individuals as well ukuthi mhlawumbe unombazi you know sesikufake ko math lana sifuna ukukhiqiza A ko math kanti wena you know but khona igenge nje engifunda nayo ungathi nje abantu aba-average esikoleni bathe maphuma esikoleni benza izinto ezinkulu you know kwezinye nje izinto ezithe ukuba seceleni so it's beautiful what what you are teaching us. So now, mase sibuka ilento inkampani enkulu lana iOwethu, you know.
Yes.
Iza kanjani iOwethu njengoba manje usune giant lenkampani elenza izinto ezinkulu.
Yeah. So we're still getting to being a giant.
I knew you were going to say that. I deliberately put you on the spot, and but yeah.
We're still getting to being a giant.
But it also speaks to a vision when you responded to it.
Yes, you know what I mean. But it is very important to understand Uguti. As a black female who is running a business that is quite a male-dominated kind of business, the odds really are against me if you think about it. And the survival of Lily business. So at Soweto Waste Group, obviously we are a waste management company. We do general hazardous waste. We have our Amasota that are based on site. Our biggest contract is Ilovo Sugar. That is our biggest contract. Hey, but our biggest contract, our biggest contract is Ilovo Sugar. And so nami ke ngangena ngopotsho ka waste ngixoxele. Ngangena ngopotsho ka waste because mina I'm a rep. So njengoba ngikutshela ukuthi my love for sales yangena kanjalo. I've been an account manager, a key account manager, ngaqala kodwa a sales executive and ngakhula kanjalo. Ngagcina sengisebenzela this waste management company and this waste management company was called Waste Man at that time. Ngaqala ukusebenzela Waste Man in 2011. Ngiphuma eImperial.
Okay.
Ngoba ngathi ngifika ngivela phesheya bama truck ngangena ka logistics ngivela phesheya ngoba ngangivela ka logistics angithi ngangivela ka Nestle but I used to work in the fast moving goods angithi because obviously you have water that is yobona ukusebenza ngo dispatch and mina ngabe ngisebenza ka customer services so I used to deal with the emails that come in and I would phone the clients to pacify them and to tell them ukuthi no so bengenza a lot of problem solving so ingqondo yami isheshe yayifunda ama problem solving skills yabona so mina nje ayikho problem that engayibona inkulu kumina yabona mina bengena lo muntu lo mekuthi sengithola i-call sekuthiwa can I speak to your manager idlule ngempela i-call manager ngoba ngizothi no asixazulule sinawe lento sizama ukubona ukuthi how we can yabona ngimassage ngize ngigcine sengitholile ukuthi what is the root cause ukuthi the frustration ye-client ukuthi yini so nami ke njengoba ngikutshela ukuthi ngangena ngopotsho ke sengise Imperial. It was I think 5 years sengiqedile Imperial ngiyabona ukuthi I'm not going to see any growth lana the branch manager yayikhona at that time wambona ukuthi akekho interested in leaving ngathi the next progression enginayo lana ukuthi ngibe branch manager ugeli akayindawo la so let me try and see ukuthi khona yini engingakuthola la ngaphandle kanti nabo bayabheka you know what I mean and should somebody told them about me one of the clients should some yabona somehow bagcina sebengithinta ngaya ke kuleyo interview ke Waste Man angazi lutho ngewaste ngazi ukudayisa nje mina because I was coming from being a key account manager angazi lutho mina ngewaste ngiyafika lapha Waste Man lapha eMkhondeni ku Short Retreat Road because I've always worked eMkhondeni ngiyafika lapha kukhulunywa izinto ze waste engingasazi ezinkulu but I did the interview anyway obviously should they liked my way of selling and the way that I manage clients ngase ngangena ke ngathi sengingenile ke ngaqala ke ngaqala ka ngafunda yonke I knew logistics because there are obviously trucks and waste and I learned kanjalo ke ngafunda kanjalo ngakhula kanjalo ke ngangena kanjalo ke nami sengiyithola sengikilento ke ye waste ngakhula kanjalo ngase ngagcina sengibona ukuthi now it's an opportunity for me to have my own business because you grow you have to be and Waste Man was a big company but no Waste Man we got to a point where it was bought by an outside company so Vele as a rep who's always worked in logistics I've always worked in a male-dominated sector. Mina bengifika lapha ngithola ukuthi umuntu bengikhuluma naye phone ngithe ngukhanya kodwa ayitshela ukuthi nguthanya ngithi sengiqhamuke nginje kanti ulindele ukuthi kuqhamuke umuntu wesifazane womlungu. You know what I mean?
Accent UK lokuza ngothanya.
You know so I've always worked in very weird and uncomfortable because I was always working with people that don't really want to deal with me but I had to push through. And ngoba ngenxa yokuthi vele sengihlalile ku-UK, I've learned different ways of dealing with different people. Kwalula ukuthi ngisho nalaba abakhulu abanama-track le South Africa amabhunu amakhulu le South Africa.
Yabo no connection babo.
Ngakwazi ukudila nabo, you know, and to the point where so many people will be like, I don't want to deal with anyone else in that company. I want to deal with Khanya only. Because of the rapport that you create with clients and you're able to understand them and everybody wants to feel seen. Uyayibona le nto noma ngabe ubaba omdala oyibhunu noma ngabe ubaba omdala oyindiya noma ngabe ubaba omdala omnyama noma ngabe umama omdala oyibhunu, it doesn't matter.
Speaking into human nature, everybody wants to be seen.
Everyone wants to be seen. And if you can just look at a person and understand what their needs are and what they want to achieve, and a service provider, that's, you know what I mean? So that's where I learned that. That's so using my charm. You know, it was funny when I was in school, our history teacher who's going to be whom, and she said uKhanya, she gets the Princess Diana Award. So she was giving us awards. When you told her the Mahatma Gandhi Award, or when you told her the Mother Teresa Award, I also told her the Princess Diana Award for being able to charm myself out of difficult situations.
Wow. Sure.
So that's it. I just used my charm. That's okay. I can deal with people. I've got this thing with people. And so that's what I used to progress my career.
Wow. Yo, that's beautiful. You know, kule episode besi ishaya ukuyashaya into ebalekile la ukhuluma ngoDavide. uDavide was good nge-stealing nangamatshe. Lezinto ezidelelekile, you know. Izona izinto ezakwazi ukuthi anqoba amabhele namabhubesi ehlane when they were trying to devour the sheep. Now it's very interesting ukuthi umeselo noGoliath yizo lezi zinto lezi. Now mangikulalela ngibona ngathi khona lezi zinto uNkulunkulu asiphathisa zona at time they don't make sense. Kanti lezi zinto zama skills ozohamba nazo empilweni throughout ijourney yakho. Ezinye zilezi zinto esidelelekile abanye abantu might even question them. What is it that you are carrying? At times you don't even know. Kanti it's that thing again ezolothi hamba nawo, you know.
Yes, ukuthi nje ube umuntu othandekayo, ube umuntu nje in your family ohloniphayo. You know, your ability yokuhlonipha is a gift. And then uyakwazi ukuthi uyithathe leyo ability. Mekuthi bakuncoma ngenhlonipho yakho, wazi kahle ukuthi anginayo i-degree, nginayo ngifike emsebenzini. Ekhaya bathi ngiyahlonipha. The one thing that will help you.
This is amazing.
In that company is ukusebenzisa le nhlonipho lokuhlaza upraise uhleli praise ngayo ekhaya. Uyisebenzise la uyopromotelwa yona. Yayibona ukuthi la akekho umuntu ohlonipha njengosibani. Hey uyombona usibani bani. You know what I mean? And ucinisa uhlele inkampani no 30 years ngenxa yenhlonipho. You know what I mean?
Ngikwa sales emsebenzini, so ngihlale kakhulu ngikwa supply chain from school. Ngenza supply chain kakhulu. But ngithe mangivela kwa sales I was like, I understand ngiza kanjani la. But abantu engabafica kwe department, I think one of the things abebezisho ukuthi uzo excella la, you know.
Yes.
But no, you have a thing with people, you know. Like, what? Yeah. So the way you smile, you know. You think you smile like it's something over something unganakile, but it's a tool that will open doors, you know. Kwesinye isikhathi kuthi tense when you smile and then it eases off tension in band, you know.
People want authenticity. But they want abantu aba authentic. Because there's so much ungekho authentic ngaphandle. So umuntu mebona ukuthi hayi lo uhleka ngempela uhleka ngenhliziyo. They get drawn to that.
Correct,
do you know what I mean? So babeqinisile ukuthi people just want that warmth. To feel like, you know, they want to be in your space ngenxa yokuthi unaleyo warmth.
That's beautiful. Uma ngibuka owethu ngendlela osebenza ngayo nangezinto ezinkulu, you know, and I like what is happening, especially the fact that usebenza no husband and you guys are leading a team enkulu and you are doing great things, you know. Story sakho no husband, the way ensebenza ngakhona, I think it's a story that deserves to be on the cover of our magazines. Because when we look at South Africa, the shift esike sathi ukutoucha on kuyona, you know. I think it's a story that deserves to be out there, and it's so encouraging with abantu abaningi. It can even impact ama-families amaningi.
Yeah.
Bengibizwe not so long ago bengiyokhuluma eForeneging, one of the churches besibizile lapha, you know. So ngahamba noMpilo, and then yeah, one guy obekade kwi-audience and was one of the organizers. After the event useyangibiza ukuthi yazi washo a couple of things, but enye into eyagqama kakhulu ubuka i-relationship ne-interaction noMpilo, you know, uthi yazi the way i-shift engakhona eSouth Africa, abantu besilisa will need to have this thing yokuthi ba-empowerishe their wives or their partners. Because the way ungakhona manje, it's like the way I understood him, I don't want to I'm going to paraphrase because I don't want to say, it's like other guys or other men will be caught up in trying to swim upstream instead of going with the flow by supporting their wives, because there are opportunities that as of figure with family, but will have to come through the wife. But at times you might find yourself trying to fight the system. The best you can do is to just let the flow
and because it's support. A system that exists.
Yes.
Yeah.
The system, the current occurrence, it happens for a reason. There has been the oppression maybe at in the past, and now the way things isn't in a corner, you know.
Yeah.
Speaking to that, what is it that abantu besilisa need to be aware of so that when uNkulunkulu efuna ukuyibless ifamily yami ngingayitholi sengiba hindrance because of i-mindset endala mhlawumbe?
Yes. They call it the women's economy.
Women's
economy. Yes. So the one thing mina ngingayisho is that just because the woman is leading an organization, it does not mean that she's the leader of the family.
Yeah, that's powerful.
You know,
that's powerful. That's powerful.
Yes, she can still be the leader of an organization.
Yeah,
and you can still, as the man, be the leader of the family.
Yeah.
And that means that as the leader of the organization, she still submits to you as the leader of the family. And ingakho-ke nje siyithola sesiza kubabakhe wama husband uSiphe. That's the reason why sengikwazi ukuthi ngize kuyena ngithi mina ngicabanga ukuthi senze 1 2 3 ingenxa yokuthi he is still my go-to guy.
That's beautiful.
That's beautiful. It doesn't matter the fact that in the organization I'm the director of the organization. But sisabona ukuthi ngeke sikwazi ukuthi siqhubeke mina ngisebenze as the leader of the organization ngingedwa. Ngoba into yasekhaya. Uyayibona leyo nto. He needs to come in. And as the operational support that he is at home, because angikwazi mina ukushintsha light bulb. Angikwazi mina ukuthi icapha zikhiwa kanjani noma mase sekunenkinga. I can't do that. I can't fit I can't do any of those things. I can do it.
Wisdom and humility. I'm loving this. Wisdom and humility. I'm loving it.
I can do it. But ngoba I'm a tall girl. I'm big and I'm strong. I got big hands. I can do it. But it's not my place. It's not. So I'm not gonna even try. Do you know what I mean? So the same applied when we had our business. You know, during COVID, I think we realized and then why say hambile, because he used to work as a supply chain now. He's got the supply chain and logistics background, and we say Clicks, but he left Clicks for another opportunity, Lana, and that opportunity didn't work out during COVID. So way to ngaleso sikhathi registered in 2019 ebingasebenzi during COVID, but then we had our daughter in 2022 kwasibonakala ukuthi kumele senze something as a family. Do you know what I mean? And ingakho sometimes don't think ukuthi into embi is on destroy.
That's powerful. Yeah.
And sometimes what looks like
stepping stone
is a stepping stone, is an opportunity for you to do something that is different from what is being done in order for you to be elevated.
Wow.
Do you know what I mean? As a family, to do something you know, and we didn't even ask ourselves the same thing. I think Gisha before. I don't even ask myself, will I be able to work with my husband? Because I don't even ask myself those questions before I dive in. It's survival, E.T. We need to work together. We have no choice. You know what I mean? So how we figure it out. You know?
I'm still my cooking shows and stuff where my chefs and whatnot. But ngiyakubukela ama-test anzima where mhlawumbe you are good at cooking certain ingredients, working. Uma sekuya later stages of a competition, baniphosele nje whatever, but make something out of this, you know.
I've never cooked,
but you find a way, you know.
Yes, and then you taste it. Does it taste like something I've used before? Or can I put this together? And then when I'm going to test it quickly to try and come up with something new that you haven't done before. So now we had to do it.
Sis Khanya, this is amazing. I'm loving it because I think it's so well balanced what we are talking about right now, and it affects our families, you know. But ngizofisa siqhubeke nayo le ngxoxo because we are not pointing a finger at one side or enye, but sizama ukushare ama dynamics ahlukahlukene of which I think ihamba ne wisdom emi kanjalo. UK, I had a story of a lady, I think why prime minister lapha in UK, umuntu osifazane, because he used to be into abantu besilisa. Ekuthiwa babembiza ngo Iron Lady.
Yes, no, she was a head. My mom loves her. Yes.
Iron Lady. Ekuthiwa, you know, babebuka yena badabukela indoda yakhe because, you know, the way Iron Lady insimbi isandla sensimbi
baze bambone ngathi usho unjalo
kazinjani ekhaya yebo. And I remember when I heard the story ukuthi kwathi makubuzakala ukuthi njengoba uyinsimbi unjena ekhaya unjani, you know. I say never be deceived.
Never be deceived. Yes.
Just because ngibiza ngo Iron Lady, I'm this tough lady. When I'm at home, I know my place, you know, my husband, you know, we are no inhlobo, we are no elite ekhaya na yonke lento le. Mhlambe I would like you to speak into that because khona abantu besilisa kwesinye isikhathi abavela ngazuthi banomona ngabantu besifazane abaprogressayo, kanti mhlasimpe ukhona nalento endluzula yokuthi mhlasimpe while ukhuphuka kukhona nokuyikhohlwa ukuthi you know. I want to clap for you. I want to clap for you, but not at the expense of your dignity. I want to cheer you on, but not at the expense. You know.
Because sometimes you think clapping for your wife because she's doing those things, it makes you somehow do you know what I mean? But the only person who can control that is the wife. You know what I mean? You know your husband better than anybody. And you know what some of the things that you're doing So if a husband has a desire for you as a wife, asho athi angithanda ukuthi ubuye ekhaya late, angithanda ukuthi udrive wedwa ama long distances, angithanda ukuthi yabona ingane zingalandwa esikoleni. Like if he has things that he has told you, when you want him to support you in your dreams, you make sure ukuthi lezo zinto lezo.
Wow, this is amazing. I'm listening.
Ngoba uyazazi ukuthi yizona aloke eyiphinda. You must excel in making sure that naye ubudanathi hayi unkosikazi wami, when it comes to respecting uvo lwam, number one. So he knows. You know what I mean? Because you don't want an opportunity where uzothi angihlonishwa mina le ekhaya ngenxa yokuthi wena usuyindoda. You know that statement? Phela wena uyindoda. You know, because we know abantu besilisa ukuthi the power most of the time, I'm not generalizing, but most of the time power is financial, is money. So bekubonakala ngazi ukuthi kunemali and imali iqhamuka from this side. Kanti that's you know, that's neither here nor there, but the fact of the matter is it must come from the woman. How do I navigate this whole situation? Imali yasekhaya yini le noma imali yami? Izinto zami inlezi noma izinto zasekhaya. Do you know what I mean?
Sure.
Because one thing about men is that they have a bird's eye view of the everything. And bona mebebheka umndeni bawubhekela phezulu abawubhekeli la.
Wow.
So you have to make sure ukuthi you come to the one who, you know, when I always
I'm containing myself ngiyakitazeka, but it's fine.
I always say ukuthi my husband ngingamtshela ngithi mina wena you watchman. You know, I always see him as if he is the person who's on the tower. Because he's like that. My husband, iqhamuka from a mile away.
This is amazing.
You know what I mean? So how can I not rely on watchman yam ukuthi abone into ezosilimaza as a family? As individuals and as our family. Do you know what I mean? So mina ngiya ku watchman ngithi ubonani kwenzakalani. If there's something leaves or rattling in the distance, he will see it and he'll say, hey, we need to watch for into leni izosibangela inkinga. Do you know what I mean? So I needed to bring watchman yami into the organization ngoba iyona ikwazi ukubona lezo zinto ngoba ngiyibonile ikwazi ukwenza ekhaya. Therefore ngidinga la eduze kwami ngoba mina ngizongayiziboni lezi zinto noma ngikwazi. My eye, spiritual eye is not sharp ukuthi ngazibona lezo zinto. So I needed him to be here so that he can see angiqhweba athi hey gada la ngoba that's what he does. That's what God has placed on him as the leader of our family. And that's the leaders. Yabona abantu besilisa, they have the art of war. They're able to sense danger. My husband is able to sense danger.
Wow, that's
so
amazing.
Manje ngizobhekelani kodwa umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi angitshela athi gada. So I listen. Ngiyamlalela nje shem siyahlela sihlale phansi sihlele yonke leyo nto.
You are blessed with wisdom, man.
Yes, you know,
you
because
are blessed with wisdom, I must say.
Thank you, because I had to do that. So it works for us.
Usalapha because lento esikhuluma ngayo is very loaded, like ama topics amaningi sesiwakhavile. I've seen abantu iBhayibheli likhuluma, again, we're not pointing fingers at any gender or anything, but iBhayibheli khona likhuluma khona ukuthi I think Proverbs umuntu esifazane oyisula uyawudiliza umuzi wakhe into kanjalo. I would like us to maybe touch on sisakhuluma kuyo lento kwindima yokuba sebhizinisini ukukhula sibuka indima yabangani, you know, because I've seen instances where indoda idismisswa ngokuthi insecure, you know, uthola ukuthi indoda iyakubona kuyakhwashazela esikhotheni, kuyabonakala ungathi kuzoza kodwa la, and ibhlungu lento ukubona into at a distance because kwesinye isikhathi abantu mabethi bayathula bayilalela bayizwa kodwa wena usuyibonile. So I've seen instances where indoda sees a problem but ibuke ungathi insecure, and ube nebhadi lokuba nabangani abangekho right, abavesana basheshe babona inkinga ku partner wakho ukuthi hayi banjalo use insecure, you know, and uthola ukuthi uyashrinka manje lo muntu. Zikhona izinto ayibonayo ziza ugcine seyithulela ngoba vese angeke azalaleleke because insecure somehow, kubukwe ngathi insecure. Abangani bakho badismissa ngokuthi you know insecure.
I think what people forget iyalo once they start living in their marriages. Iyalo zasekhaya. You know, and iyalo zasekhaya babesitshelile ukuthi be equally yoked. Equally yoked in your friendships, in choosing a life partner. In whatever it is that you're doing, be equally yoked. So if you're not equally yoked with the people that always sondeza born as your friends, as your confidants, as people that speak in your ear, then obviously uzothola izinto ezingekho right. You know what I mean?
Powerful. That's
so
powerful.
When the person oseduze kwakho exwayisa ngalaba wena so unequally yoked vele nabo. Vele bona bayangene lana to kill, steal and to destroy. Because that's what the enemy's tactics are. Wena kuzongaboni ngoba ufuna ukuba umuntu wesifazane oyisibula. And then, you know, I believe because so many women that are divorced today, abaningi abanye sebeyayisola manje la bekhona.
I hear you.
You know what I mean? Because now you're looking back and you're thinking, I am better off being outside of the covenant than being inside of the covenant. There are so many things inside the covenant because thina sikholwa esikholwayo siyazi ukuthi marriage is not a contract. It's a covenant.
That's powerful.
Exactly. So thina esikholwayo siyakwazi lokho. So vele siyazi ukuthi there are things that are in the world that might do ngendlela engekho right. So now like I said, eat the meat and throw away the bones. So if you have people that are close to you and usuyababona ukuthi sekuyinkinga la baba sekhaya akasathandi usehleze complain ngo so and so njoba dengisho ngithi iba strong kulezi zinto ubaba ngayithandi uyisuse eduze kwakho fast because the question is what's going to work for you? Is it pleasing your husband or is it pleasing your friend?
Wow.
It's very good to have friends. It's very nice. But ubani ohlala naye nihlele izinto nenze ivision yomndeni, you grow your legacy, you have children here, you have a covenant, you have protection. So manje when you'd rather please ngaphandle than to please ngaphakathi.
Sure.
You know what I mean? Wow. It's very important. There's a lento lesisho esingisi sithi charity starts at home. People don't understand how powerful that statement is. If you're going to have any kind of charity towards someone, any kind of kindness, any kind of ulalela, any kind of softness that you have, which is a charity, as a charitable act, into enhle ozoyenzela omunye umuntu iqala le ekhaya. So ukunderstanda umuntu nokungaphatheki kahle kwakhe nokumsiza engaphathekeni kwakhe kahle kuzoqala le ekhaya. Then ngizokulalela friend. Kodwa ngilalela umnyeni wami ekhaya ngoba charity starts at home. Izinto engizozilalela ezinhle ngizozenza ekhaya kuqala. Ngilalele la ekhaya ukuthi mase se right ke sengimbona ukuthi ama emotions akhe asenesekile. La insecurity le nikhuluma ngayo isinesekile use right use comfortable, so confident, then it's fine. I can continue gigness now as my friend. But I'm not going to do that at the expense of my marriage or the expense of my husband's well-being. You know what I mean? Yeah, so you choose your battles.
Sure.
Basically.
Thank you so much for that. Yo, sis, this is amazing. Yo, ngeke mfethu ngiyazi ukuthi asigcina ukukhuluma namhlanje. No, that's one I know for a fact.
Yeah.
Mfethu indima okuyo ngokomsebenzi mfethu engithanda kakhulu, you know. Angazi indaba mfethu. Ngizofuna nje upartnerisha nani. Ngiyazi there were times when you volunteer nenza izinto uthola ukuthi angikho nami ngisenezinto engifisa ukuzenza ngakithi of which I'm not going to mention now. But yazi mfethu ngiyangibone ngivisite indawo uthola ukuthi ama structures akhona ama buildings madala nakodwa umuntu uyabuka ku clean, you know. I visited Rwanda anguvala umlomo kuze kube manje. I've visited a couple of countries, mhlambe more than 10 countries. But somehow there was something in Rwanda, you know. Rwanda ngangihleze ngizwa ngayo, nga research kancane before ngiye khona, but it's the cleanest place in Africa.
Sure.
Khona into abayibiza ngomugadu.
Yeah.
It's the last Saturday of the month, everything stops.
Everybody
cleans. You know, wonke umuntu basemgwaqeni baya cleaner. President, minister, you find a place, you know. I remember when I came back, I did a review on YouTube. One of the guys, I'm not going to mention his name. I think he made a joke behind the scenes. What khuluma nabanye utawu ngiyamuzwa uyayeye but abantu abahlanyayo umethi clean wonke umuntu abantu abahlanyayo bona basuke bekephi ukuthi bangangcolisi. Believe it or not, I did see abantu ongathi babe mentally disturbed. But umuntu ongathi mentally disturbed wayehlanya nomshanelo.
That thing was bazokwenza lokho kwenziwayo.
It was unbelievable. Khona abantu bobona bandla ongathi uhlanyelwe indawo but uhlanya nomshanelo wakhe, you know.
Because wonke umuntu on Saturday uyaclean.
I have a personal challenge. Kwesinye isikhathi kubo ngathi ngithatha izinto okufana ngabe ngiyayiziba zibe iburden kumina. Manga emoto yami ihlezi izinto ezingcolile phakathi because angikwazi ukuphosa into through the window when I drive, you know.
And you shouldn't.
You know. Ama chips yini ngamane ngikubeke at the back of the car ukuthi plastic anginawo, you know. That business of yours ebaluleke ngalendlela, you know. Safika from the airport, okay, the guy wayizofundela eMaritzburg wafika as first year uhambise udokotela, our friend uMelinda wathatha, he was driving a double cab, wathatha ikhwama zethu wayiphosa at the back of a park. Then sabukana emehlweni uthi ndoda ikhwama zethu sitshela usqueeze nazo kanje wayiphosa ngemuva, then driver from the airport sadlula edolobheni lakhona lapha eKigali, from eKigali sayongena emalokishini. All I noted ukuthi sazadlula nasemakhaya. All I noted ukuthi ayikho indawo engcolile. Alikho iphephela liphansi. Abantu aba understand when I say this thing. Kwaku clean ngalendlela, you know, and even esikhotheni kuya cleanwa esikhotheni, ayikho lento ukuthi okay ku clean emgwaqeni but esikhotheni kungcolile. No, isikhotha kuzoba utshane nani but amaphepha you won't find them there. You know.
So
maybe you can speak into our mindset because
yes, I want to speak into your mindset.
And any other thing you might want to share around that, you know.
So we have a very, very bad culture in South Africa. And the bad culture is because of our history. And because of the grassroots levels that are not really being attacked and really being taught. When we were growing up, kwakhona lento lena kwakuthiwa angazi something service where we'd go out in the community sambe siyo clean. I think basayenza kwezinye indawo where we'd go out to the community go clean from school. You know what I mean? But kwahamba kwaphela. I think ukuthi kusakhona laba bakwenzayo laba bangakwenzi. So one thing about us at A Way to Waste Group is that with our foundation we realized ukuthi bakhona abantu abala eSouth Africa abanalento yokuthi iSouth Africa iyinhle ngesikhathi seapartheid. When many were oppressed and we're still trying to deal with the repercussions of that horrible act
diabolic
system eyenzeka le South Africa. So labo ke abakhona bayaziclean indawo zabo batshala ihlahla bathi bona they are preserving indawo. Okay, kodwa mawuphuma uye kuma squatter camp, uphuma uye emalokishini, uphuma uye kuma informal settlements or marginalized areas, you realize then ukuthi nansi reality yase South Africa yangempela. Do you know what I mean?
I hear you.
So the fact of the matter is, if you see something so many times, you know, I'm sorry to use this example, but if you were to sit in a toilet, the first day, it's going to smell really bad.
I hear you. I hear you.
The second day now, thina sikhule emakhaya siyawazi ama long drop, abanye abantu abawazi ngoba phela in the system how it's built. The toilet is never going to smell good. No matter what you do, you can try. But uzohlala khona, the first day it's going to be bad. The second day is going to be bad. The third day is going to be tolerable. The fourth day, the fifth day uzobe ungasezwa lutho, or the seventh or eighth. Usuhleli la. Awusezwa lutho. Omunye umuntu uzongena usuhleli kanjani la. So abantu bayilapha yana ko Rwanda bangafika bathi nihleli kanjani la. Kodwa because our eyes are now used to seeing intembi and have been altered to know what lentembi is our way of life. Ingakho sekulula le South Africa ukuthi singcolise siphile in this horrible dirty environment and think ukuthi that is good. But we are called to be stewards of what God has blessed us with. We live in such a beautiful country.
It is beautiful.
And it just means ukuthi we need mina on my own as Ukhanya. I cannot do what my heart's desires are because I need support.
Absolutely.
I need collaboration. I need like-minded people that are nabo banalentshisekelo yokuthi asenzeni something bafethu ngalento lena ngoba it's a problem. Because if Uculo, my daughter, if Umhlengi no Anesu, your sons, if they see you wenza into, that's to them. You are the first point of into enhle nento embi. If we're lahla ngewind ikani or something, they're like, we're on a freeway and ubabai is uyalahla, which means ukuthi this is good. They wanna ask themselves because it's calling into it's bad, but because Tina nangu umuntu wethu ithemba lethu menza lento kushuthi it's not as bad as people make it out to be. So much that they will start to question lento abatshelwa yena esikoleni because bona babukela kuwena. You know what I mean? So if children live in an environment engcolile kushiswa udoti, the reason why we're experiencing health problems in South Africa, the reason why we're experiencing climate changes in South Africa, changes in the environment esiphila kuyona, is because sishisa udoti, silahla udoti ngendlela engafana. Do you know ukuthi mesilahla udoti thina emhlabathini noma etshanini or wherever it is la silahla khona udoti namanapkeni lawa lahlwayo amaningi nalamabhodlela atshwala lawa amaningi eSouth Africa nalo zonke nje lemfucuza embe siyenza. Do you know ukuthi those things can stay in an environment for over 200 years, depending on what that environment is. So long after you're gone, your children now say, "Baba is amakhehla sebahamba emhlabeni." That bottle owayilahla wena outside the window will remain in that environment for another 200-300 years. Do you know what I mean? So there is an example that I always use in what we're trying to do and what we still need to do, which I have not really naming sadinga abantu abafundi abafisayo ukuthi siyenze lento yokuthi sifake culture entsha when it comes to the ways that the environment is protected and looked after la siphila khona, is that uNestle uzama uku-infiltrate i-Japanese environment years ago. And they were like, no, these are tea drinkers, labantu laba base Japan. Bazoliphuza leli coffee lethu. No matter what, bazoliphuza leli coffee lethu. Bangene eJapan bathi bazama ukulidayisa leli coffee, but bayalitaste abantu abalithanda, didn't like the bitter taste in. But ayibona kusihluleka, we can't infiltrate this market. And then they went and they spoke to a team. I think it was like an advertising, a marketing team, but there was a psychologist in this team. That's a psychologist. What you have to do is you need to change the palate from the little ones. So kumele nifake ikhofi ku-sweet.
Wow.
La njengoba bayathanda usweet, and they have a lot of supermarkets in their corners la lama street market laba lezi faka no sweet ngoba baphuma esikoleni bathenga usweet bathi ice cream bekhofi obani lezi zinto lezi zeyingane, and change the palate. Balithanda ikhofi, balithanda balithande balizwe.
Wow.
And so they did that from laba bancane, from laba bano 3 4 into primary school and so on. And then years later, the Japanese are the biggest coffee drinkers in the entire world. One of the biggest consumers of coffee. Ngenxa yokuthi they gave it time, years, ukuthi bashintshe lento. So nathi,
but they were intentional.
They were intentional. If we want to change, asithathe laba bancane, sibafundise ey'koleni in the rural areas, in the informal settlements, in those schools that bazohamba bona bazongayithandi imfucuza, bazongakwazi ukuphila nayo, bona-ke abazokwenza umhlaba wethu ukuthi ushintshe. Because you don't hit the top, you don't change, kuthiwa igotshwa isamanzi. You know what I mean? So I think that's the reason why I'm so passionate, and the reason why we work in rural schools, and the reason why we work in informal settlements to try asikakayifake kahle system yethu, but we're gonna get there because kunzima. Kunzima, because to try and alter mindsets and izinto eziexiste for a long time to get people to a new culture, to introduce a new culture, is gonna be like putting coffee into sweets. And then we're going to have to wait 20-30 years to see a difference.
But we'll definitely get there.
We will get there.
You know, 2005, this is 2005, I met this guy in the UKZN, Glenn Cook, you know. We became friends because I sent even outside the UKZN, you know. Utuhamba na ibone secosha amaphepha man.
Yes.
Akawubonanga umgqomo uzowuthola phambili, rather walk with this thing. Hey, ngimsupport nami, I'm like, hey, this guy, you know ngiyamsupport manje, but as that thing became habit now. Angisakwazi ukuhamba amaphepha ngingawacoshi mangukuthi ngibona amaphepha esilanga laleli. And lonto ngikhumbula ngi-instilla kubafana njalo masiphuma enkonzweni, you know, uthi mhlawumbe sihamba on the field lapha esontweni. And ngibona amaphepha, guys, naka amaphepha lapha nalapha, you know, sesiyahamba not ukuthi ngizobatshena bese ngiyama, nami ngicosha athile lapha sebeyaqosha sifike sabo. It's a beautiful thing, you know. And khona izinto ngikhule esikoleni mina kuba nesikhathi la kwafike kiwe kwi-assembly before niye emaklasini nizungeze igceke lesikole nangaphandle you know sicosha amaphepha kuhleze ku-clean. These days ngibona ngisho ezikoleni ungcole esikoleni ubone ukuthi wow this is quite something, you know.
It's very bad.
You know, isikole wouldn't take 5 minutes ukuthi disperse ingane uthi coshani anything eyamaphepha nicoshe nilena. So ukudevelopa iculture ekanjalo nokuyihlonipha sabantu besilisa. Bekuba mhla ka-27 sengihambisa ifamily ngidlula nje kwenye i-community. I'm not going to mention by name because it's not too we-embarrassa because leyo nto yenzeka noma yikephi. Umuntu wesilisa nje elokishini uchama noma yikephi and siyahamba la siyifamily umala esayidini khona nengane entombazane at the back and ngibuka le nto ngithi ish you know lezi zinto ezikhulumayo.
And we can't rely on our police to do that.
You
know, vele kufanele ngabe ibona because endaweni ezifana no-UK nezinye indawo zangaphandle futhi uzothola ukuthi nako Rwanda mhlawumbe amaphoyisa aya-enforce lento or naming and shaming. I know in Korea they're very big on something like that ukuthi iphoyisa kumele kubona ulahle iphepha nje angak-arresta ngisho uku-arresta, you know what I mean, because you're upsetting public disorder, public disorder. Ukulahla iphepha kubona public disorder.
That's correct.
Ukukhama endaweni engafanele public disorder. Ngoba ngcolisa indawo la fanele abantu baphile khona. Because la uzoqeda ukukhama khona uzothola ukuthi it's not your house. It's somebody else's environment la bedlula khona bephila khona. Wena usekho usuhambile, you know what I mean? So I think ukuthi we have to understand the fact that we must support our South African police. In the way that we can. We must support amaphoyisa kamasipala. Ngoba nabo kunzima bathwele kanzima. Na yabona ngalento akumele fanele bayenze. We must police systems ngendlela yethu. You know what I mean? So if we can, I know ukuthi thina we're a privately owned company, but if there are people that will volunteer, if people want to be friends of the Way to Waste Group Foundation and people that want to do izinto ezikanjalo, then we can do singayipusha lento. You know what I mean? Singayipusha lento. That's the reason why we founded the foundation. Because the company Way to Waste Group vele inkampani izosebenza iqhubeke nomsebenzi because we're profit making ngala. Kumele sifocus kuma systems, kumele senze sure ukuthi umsebenzi uyaqhubeka. You know what I mean? But then we have a foundation where people can come in and understand and try to understand what is it that we want to achieve. And 14 nabantu abamnyama. Because ngeke size siyocleana ku Victoria. Because the businesses that are in Victoria are going to do that. People want to ukuthi babe ku environment clean. You know what I mean? Kodwa ke ngelinye ilanga siyogcina sekumele singene koThimba, singene ko Loop Street, singene ko Banibani eMaritzburg, because the fact of the matter is we can't live in this town and be proud of it. Do you know what I mean? And support our municipality. You know, abantu sifuna ukwenza lento South Africa ukuthi we're not supporting our government structures ngenxa yokuthi vele bona kumele benze. You know that there was this thing that people used to say ukuthi mengilahla iphepha phansi ngenzela abantu bamgqoma umsebenzi. No, awusenzeni umsebenzi ngolahla iphepha phansi. Kumele ulahle kubhini ukuthi usenze umsebenzi.
Lithathwe lapha ku plastic lo.
Ku plastic kufakwe tracking. Not merely pants. We can't go pick up 1,000 pieces of paper and be functional.
No.
You know, we can't do that. So
uma sikwazi ukudila nalezo zinto sikwazi ukufocus ezintweni ezifanele. Sesizogoqa. Thank you so much with generosity ngesikhathi sakho. You know, ukuthi I'm passionate about le lento esikhuluma ngayo manje. Yabo ngiyangifika epark, uthi uyafika epark. Yabona abantu bahleli ngamaqeqebano, of course bahleli ngokwazana kwabo. Usuyabona lapha basukile abade bekhona sekuhleli inkomishi amaplastiki ama-chips yonke lento. Not far from them khona umgqomo olaphana and you ask yourself a question ukuthi guys labantu ade behleli lapha bahlulwe nje ukuthi umuntu athathe izinto zakhe. It wouldn't take even 2 minutes ukuthi uqoqe nje lezi zinto ezimbalwa uyifake emgqonyeni mawukuthi khona uplastic omnyama ovulelekile uvale so that makufika umoya, you know. And ngiyangibona ngathi izinto lezi singakwazi ukuyilungisa impela but somehow, you know, because I think uNkulunkulu ukubeke kule field okuyo for a reason and impact eniyenzayo. That's why ngempela bengifisa ngathi lezi zinto zingacover abantu abaningi and abantu bakwazi ukupartnerisha nanani, you know, kulezo zinto because you know this thing can change a country, you know.
Yes.
Ngiyangithi mangifika kwi-neighborhood mangithi ngiyabuka akukho maphepha lying around, I feel safe.
Yes, exactly.
Ungangayibona association ngilento, but I feel like there's safety here.
You feel like they're watching.
Yeah.
They can see.
People
and
are
they're
taking,
doing something about it. Because
you know,
it means during the day, intambama khona night. Ngisho lento dangerous.
Yes.
Engalahlwa endaweni igcina ithathwe yingane. Shuthi bazoyithola. Kanti if you wait 2 weeks for that thing izokwenza umonakalo. If somebody throws a gun kade bulala umuntu ngane noma a knife, ingane izofika ithathe ngoba ilahlwe kubhini ongaservice for months or for weeks or whatever the case might be. You know what I mean? So I just think ukuthi we have to go, I want to use the right word. We have to use what we have. The word of God says the work is much, but the laborers are few. You know what I mean? We have to understand ukuthi we are stewards. uNkulunkulu usinikeza umhlaba and umhlaba sesiwushintshile.
Wow, that's big.
You know,
that's big.
Umhlaba sesiwushintshile. And uqinisile. Le feeling le othunayo when you see indawo and you feel safe. Ingoba vele when people are stewarding into, you're going to feel safe in that environment. You know what I mean? And uDoti is such a cry for help. Our country is crying for help. And uDoti is the sign that we need help.
It is.
You know what I mean?
It is.
If singalungisa lokho, you know what I say mengiyokhuluma nengane ezikoleni. Ngithi mina asifuni ngelinye langa speaking, we were doing a green campus, we were launching a green campus at UKZ in Westville. And I said to the students, what do you want to be known for as South African students, as South African campuses, ama university graduates in other countries? People are going to watch on YouTube. Do you not want people to come to South Africa and say, "Ngaye South Africa"? Ish, into ngayibona laphaya. You know, mama always says ukuthi angahambi nawe umuntu. Because when somebody experiences you negatively most of the time, or positively, uhamba nawe. Afika yoxoxela omunye athi phela ngihle ngithulane. And uthulane yabona, because if the blessing of the Lord is upon you, it maketh rich. Yabona, which means you then you do izinto ezinhle for people. You don't have to give money to communities. You don't have to do amabhesari for students. You must just clean the environment la bephila khona. Engendlela bekuthanda ngabe beyibona nje imoto iqhamuka kuthiwa wena nangu lo malume lona wasenzela indawo esihlala khona ukuthi ibe yinhle.
Clean rivers.
Clean beaches.
The ripple effect of this thing. Yazi kade ekhaya la sesihlala khona njengamanje kwakhiwa nini early 2000, you know, kwakunomoba kodwa before, you know. So about 10 years ago I was digging laphana. Hey mangithi ngiya phansi ngithola ama containers lawo plastic yabo izipoqo izinto ezindala uma uyibuka like njengoba dusho izinto ehlala for 200 years, you know.
You know. Over.
You see, mangithi ngiyabuka oplastic namabhodlela lezi zinto ziyahlala isikhathi eside and they affect the environment.
Yes, it alters the environment. You know, sayifunda yonke lento esikoleni. Uyakhumbula ukuthi kuqala sasinala ama perfumes sase primary ayethi protect the ozone layer. Ayiseke ozone layer. Ngenxa yokuthi we didn't.
Yazi sesigoqa because I'm in le topic ngahamba for hours ngempela. I was watching something on TV, you know. It felt like it was exaggerated, you know. Bakhuluma ngokuthi mangingancibikela iqhwelele kwi-north, you know. Kungadrowna ama-land amazwe amaningi, ama-continent angacover amanzi. So just 2 days ago I'm watching a series The Great Flood, you know.
Oh, yes, the Korean one.
Yes.
I love Korean dramas.
We were watching that, you know.
And baqinisile ukuthi bayidlale ngoba bona they're very, very big on environmental protection and bazosebenza ama-movie. Ngenxa yokuthi look at the flooding that's happening in South Africa manje. What do we think causes that? You know what I mean? And we can't act as if the link. You know. We have to ask ourselves, so what is the link? Do you know ukuthi there was something that happened, I don't know if it was a UN or one of these international organizations or some international conference on like waste or climate change or something. But in South Africa, imagine. I think also Cyril Ramaphosa akayanga ke kwelandelayo public center representative kodwa kwathiwa South Africa akwenziwa lutho. So I really would love ukuthi one day ukuthi sibe nama forum, like a forum where different representatives from different communities, different stakeholders, we come and we sit together and mase siyaphuma, and then you have your team of volunteers, they have their team of volunteers. It's like a siqale KZN. We don't even have to go to South Africa at large. Yayibona leyo nto ukuthi sike nje sithi nje saziwela ukuthi samabhinqa nation, saziwela ukuthi senza umkhosi womhlanga, that thing that we do. Saziwele nokuthi nje siphila ayikho indawo efana neKZN in terms of cleanliness. Do you know what I mean?
Sure. Ngizocela nje sesilento le, ngizocela usitshene ukuthi singapartnerisha kanjani nawe sesigoqa. But can I please say this? During my elections, I'm driving home to Stenga. Yabo bezama ukugcwalisa i-stadium manje showing their power, political parties, you know. I'm not going to mention the political party, but ngiyadrive ngeStenga amabhasi maningi ashona le. Ngidlule suka eMaritzburg ngidlule eThekwini, mangisuka eThekwini ngeStenga ngiphambana nawo lamabhasi aphuma ngala northern part of KZN basala. Mase ngigoduka ntambama itopa babezakha ububona ngokungcola ukuthi lifike la amabhasi la nanka amabhodlela izipoqo nani. That's how you saw ukuthi ibhasi lifike lama la because bebengame ezitopini azikho ku N2 na N3, but ububona ngokungcola. And I'm sitting and I'm thinking to myself ukuthi labantu bafuna ukuvotela ukuthi baphathizwe, but abakwazi ukuthi baphathe kahle udoti. Balahla noma yikephi kodwa labantu in their mind bacabanga ukuthi bangakwazi ukuphathizwa.
No.
This one time ngiyahamba ngiya eHowick. I'm going to deliberately mention the place. Ngiya eHowick. Ngiyabona lapha khona irally enkulu estadium. Political party ethile, I'm not going to mention them. Futhi angichemile angisiyo umuntu wepolitiki. Ngiyahamba ngeHowick ngangiye ngase eMpophomeni.
Ngasekhaya ke la. Ngamgwaqwa phela. Mawunyuka nje uvukela kaHaza wehlele eMpophomeni.
Hayi ngiyabona lapha istadium isigcwele anginake lutho. Political party ethile ngimvakashele lo mfowethu engangimvakashele lapha nawaSibiya. Mase ngibuya back ntambama ngihamba noMpilone negeng. Ngibona inqwaba yoplastic abamnyama.
Seqoqudo.
Uqoqiwe kuyimfumbe kuthe. Uclean kanjani istadium?
Ingakho nje nesizoqala siyabalo siyanyuka. It's climbing. That municipality is climbing up in the ranks of well-managed municipalities.
I don't sound like I'm politically.
No, we don't, but intent
iyanconywa labantu angaze ngabavotela. I'm going to say that. Angaze ngabavotela. But lento abayenza mfethu nabayenzayo inhle lanto. It starts with us.
It starts with us.
Angulahla udoti through the window ngiyayiqhenya ngalonto. And ngicabanga ukuthi izorapper off komunye umuntu njengamanje obukela.
Especially the kids, number one. Nabo bazobona ukuthi hayi ngeke udaddy he always puts everything and then kulahla mase sifike ekhaya kuba sifole uzofika uzothatha nje udoti at the end of the day. Do you know what I mean? So I just think ukuthi it's a big mountain. You know. But I always say it's a big crisis. It's so bad. It actually is such a bad crisis. And I even say, Uguti, when I started All Way to Waste group, I was just interested in collecting waste and disposing waste safely, doing general and hazardous waste, giving a site lessons or segregation or recycling and stuff. That's all I was interested in. And then I had my daughter in 2022. And my vision changed completely.
Wow.
Because I was like, ngeke umntanami azaphile akhule kule mfucuza le ngaphandle. Because I could go ngiqhubeke nama organization lawa was supplying ama services, office services of collection of waste, disposal of waste, kuphele kanjani ngiyihlalele ekhaya ngizenzela imali yami kuphele kanjani. But my love for the environment and need to go into communities and to educate and to empower and to do something, the little that we can do, was solely based on the fact ukuthi ngabuka ingane yami ngathi ngeke ngikwazi. You know what I mean? Something more needs to be done. And that's how we build legacies. And if there are people that also are looking and thinking, nabo baney'ngane, even iy'ngane zey'ngane zabo, even iy'ngane zo-aunty babo, omalume and so on. And we're looking at this country and we're thinking, okay, let us be known for something as a country, as South Africa, that will put us on the map, that will set us apart, that will then again, you can partner with us at Oweto Waste Group. You know what I mean? Yeah. So we are on Facebook as Oweto Waste Group and Oweto Waste Group Foundation. We are on Instagram as Oweto Waste Group or Oweto Waste Group Foundation. We are tola na Google, me ukuthi useMaritzburg sikhona eMkhondeni. Silaphayana ngase Trimborn. If you have things that you want to come and chat to us about, we have an office that opens Monday to Friday. And moku Google uzoyithola numbers zethu. Sikhona na ku TikTok. You can comment on our TikTok. We always post our community projects on TikTok and any of the work that we're doing. You can send us a message and we'll engage with you. We have a lot of volunteers. If you want to be a friend of the Oweto Waste Group, we would love that, because siqale kulonyaka ku 2025 sifuna uku-achieve ama community projects and achievile. So going to 2026, volume, double on the projects that we're doing. So please, we cannot do this on our own. We need support from our community so that we can make the impacts that we desire. I wanted to make.
Siswam, thank you so much. Ngizoyishare lezi zinto, ama contact details zakho nazo zonke ezinye izinto. But thank you so much. This is great. Bengithi sizocover nezinye izinto ezithinta ibhizinisi, but sesokwenza kube olunye usuku. Sengisho nje ukusiza abantu ukuthi siqale amabhizinisi nokubaleka kokulento. Kuningi ukukhavile okupowerful ngalendlela. But kungijabulisile ukuthi we're not going to cover everything, you know.
Yes, because there's an opportunity to have more conversation.
Absolutely. But overall, usibusiso esikhulu empilweni yethu, umpilo wakavala umlomo ngawe.
Nami ngisibusiso esikhulu.
Siyabonga nje.
Vele phela sisabalingani ngithi ngiyazi usi future yethu.
Yeah, future ifuture nje ithe nakuba umkhonyane ephatheke kabe ngoba ama hopes ebelapha phezulu
ukuthi Bosi kusamele si-arrange
khona uzoza naye, but kulunga. Siswam, thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is amazing. Yazi for me ukuthi ngisho njalo ngikuyo interview but ngibe nale impact engizwayo. I'm sure abantu ababukelayo will be greatly impacted, you know. Kuthiwa khona umuntu owaye busy zama ukuphosa khona lezi zinto ezayishawa amagagas ilwane abanye bathi ama shellfish noma ama stars oyilodo eyiphosa omunye ethi udlala ngesikhathi ndoda buka singakanani lezi zinto ezisakwishola uthi impendulo yalona, but I've made a difference kule ngiphose back.
Yes, if it's one.
iBhayibheli liphinde lithi when one sinner repents there is joy in heaven. When one, sometimes siyakhathala ngoba we are trying to change the world by changing the world instantly, kanti just that one person ongekasawulahla udoti through the window.
Thank you for
just
that.
That one person ozoba impacted get bravery uNkulunkulu akuphe yona, a blessing, a strength sakho going forward, you know. This is amazing.
Thank you.
Sis, thank you so much once again.
Thank you so much. And I appreciate you guys as a family. And I know Guti, I always say to Mpilo, we call each other our purpose partners. Unkulunkulu will put people together for a reason. You know, there are times when in a season when you are praying for people to come into your life. And you know what these ones are in my life long term. You know what I mean? So I really appreciate connect that I appreciate, and I'm just like, oh, you know, I love to see that, because you know, inhliziyo iyajabula, you know, and then nathi siwumuntu nawe uyakwazi ukuthi there is hope. There are people who are fighting for lento sifuna ukuthi yenzeke, and if they can do it and beloku bezama day in and day out, uNkulunkulu uyokwenza nakwabanye sigcine sesilibona lo shintsho lolu esingaliboni manje, but we are going to see. So I appreciate you guys. Ngiyanithanda ke, niyazi ke.
Beautiful. Wow, simthanda kakhulu, siyabonga. This is amazing. And sengivala nje khona lesi story engisithandayo enginceke kaNkulunkulu, ngazi uElijah noma uEliya, but ukhala uNkulunkulu ukuthi I'm the only one who's serving you, these other guys sebeshintshile bakhonza uBhali, and uNkulunkulu gives him a number ukuthi I've got thousands of people who haven't bowed to their knees who are still on my side, you know. So there are people out there.
Yes.
This, of course, will evoke something in them.
Yes.
And we are not alone. That we know for a fact, you know. We will change things in this country.
Yes.
But yeah.
And as we cross over to unyaka omusha,
absolutely.
we hope ukuthi ngempela sivusekelwe into entsha.
Yes,
you know, like siguqulelwe ingqondo zethu once again and to desire what God desires for us. Siyithandele na.
Ngumzalwane, you know. We need to, as churches as well, we can decide on one Saturday, ukuthi extend 6 to 7, we are walking this street, we are sweeping the street, we are clean.
Yes.
You know, we are here to make those differences.
We are here to make that difference, especially because I think God will be pleased
absolutely
with us. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I'm looking forward to that day.
You spoke about stewardship. It is. God has given us this lumhlaba, and we are being stewards, and you know.
Yeah.
This has been amazing. Please share, like, subscribe, and ngizohleze ngilethele ingxoxo kanje. Nabantu ababaluleke kanje nabasilethele this is amazing. Thank you so much. God is love.
Thank you. Siyabonga.
Wow, thank you.